Welcome. Today we dive into the world of website builders, exploring why they are essential for beginners. Let's start with Wix, which offers a user-friendly interface, drag-and-drop capabilities, and beautiful templates, making it easy for beginners. While Wix excels in design flexibility and simplicity, its limitations include less control over advanced settings. Next up is Builder.io, which also offers a unique approach to website building, focusing on headless CMS and integration capabilities. Builder.io offers strong developer-focused features, but it may not be as intuitive for complete beginners. When comparing user interfaces, Wix is more intuitive, while Builder.io provides advanced tools for seasoned users. Both platforms offer customization options, but Wix focuses on aesthetic designs while Builder.io emphasizes functional flexibility. Understanding costs is crucial. Wix offers tiered subscription plans while Builder.io has a more customizable pricing model. SEO is essential, and while both platforms provide tools, Wix tends to be more straightforward for SEO beginners. In terms of user support, Wix has extensive resources and a community, whereas Builder.io focuses more on technical documentation. Let's hear from users. Testimonials reveal varied experiences depending on user needs and backgrounds. In conclusion, for absolute beginners who need an easy start, Wix may be your best bet, while Builder.io is ideal for those wanting to grow into more advanced web development.